Transform your keto diet with innovative meal planning and recipe ideas. Meal planning and recipe ideas can be a challenge when starting a ketogenic diet, which is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet. The key to success on a ketogenic diet is to focus on nutrient-dense foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. Meal planning and recipe ideas can make it easier to stick to the diet and achieve your weight loss goals. One important aspect of meal planning on a ketogenic diet is to focus on healthy fats. Healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, nuts and seeds, and coconut oil are great options to include in your meals. These fats provide energy and support satiety, which can help with weight loss. A study conducted in 2020 found that individuals following a ketogenic diet for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in hunger and an increase in satiety compared to those following a traditional diet. Another important aspect of meal planning on a ketogenic diet is to focus on protein. Protein is important for maintaining muscle mass while losing weight, as it helps to preserve lean muscle mass and promotes satiety. A study conducted in 2018 found that individuals following a ketogenic diet that included a moderate amount of protein experienced a greater preservation of muscle mass and a greater reduction in body fat compared to those following a ketogenic diet that included a low amount of protein. Good sources of protein on a ketogenic diet include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Vegetables are also an important part of a ketogenic diet. Leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and bell peppers are great options, as they are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber and nutrients. It's important to include a variety of vegetables in your meals to ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients. When it comes to recipe ideas, there are many delicious options that can be adapted to fit a ketogenic diet. One popular option is fat bombs, which are small snacks or desserts that are high in healthy fats. They can be made with ingredients such as coconut oil, almond butter, and cocoa powder, and can be sweetened with a natural sweetener such as stevia. Another popular recipe idea is cauliflower rice, which can be used as a low-carb alternative to traditional rice. It can be made by grating or pulsing cauliflower in a food processor, and can be used in a variety of dishes such as stir-fries and casseroles. Transform your keto diet with innovative meal planning and recipe ideas. Another recipe idea is zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles, which can be used as a low-carb alternative to pasta. They can be made by spiralizing zucchini and can be used in dishes such as spaghetti and meatballs, or pesto zoodles. When it comes to meal planning and recipe ideas for a ketogenic diet, it's important to focus on healthy fats, protein, and vegetables. It's also important to incorporate a variety of ingredients and to not cut out entire food groups, in order to achieve a balanced and sustainable approach. Another great recipe idea for a ketogenic diet is a ketogenic breakfast. A ketogenic breakfast can include dishes such as scrambled eggs with avocado, bacon, and spinach. Or a ketogenic smoothie made with almond milk, avocado, spinach, and a scoop of ketogenic protein powder. One delicious breakfast recipe is the ketogenic frittata, which can be made with eggs, bacon, spinach, and cheese. A ketogenic breakfast can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning and help to reduce cravings for sugar and processed foods. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the diet. Closely monitor nutrient intake and adjust the diet as needed. And find a sustainable and balanced approach that works best for you, in order to achieve optimal health. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and also the bell icon so that you can be notified the minute we post a new video. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.